Hey everyone, welcome back to today's best deals today. We're excited to review the KTT Extra Large Tent, a spacious and versatile camping solution that's perfect for families and large groups. Meet the KTT Extra Large Tent, featuring a 6-10-12-14 person capacity. Two rooms, 3 doors, and 3 windows with mesh. This tent is engineered to provide comfort and adaptability in outdoor settings. The tent boasts an innovative design with ventilation and views, including 2 front doors with windows, 2 rear windows, and 2 side windows. The 3-sided enclosure provides protection from the elements while allowing for airflow and scenic views. The KTT Extra Large Tent features an integrated canopy system deployment with dual-layer rainfly at both front doors. The canopy provides sun and rain protection, making it perfect for outdoor gatherings and picnics. This tent is made of high-quality polyester material, ensuring durability and water resistance. The double-layer design and waterproof coating provide extra protection against the elements. With its spacious interior, versatile ventilation, and canopy system, the KTT Extra Large Tent is perfect for families and large groups. Order now and start enjoying the great outdoors in comfort and style. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Get yours now and start enjoying the great outdoors with the KTT Extra Large Tent. It's available now. Say goodbye to cramped and uncomfortable camping trips, and hello to spacious and enjoyable outdoor adventures with the KTT Extra Large Tent.